Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Creative Coach Ankita. In this channel, we are going to Pichwai not just in its traditional form, but are also going to see how we can explore various elements of Pichwai and fuse it into contemporary style or the way any artist pleases to do. And for that, we are exploring all the elements of Pichwai one by one. Our today's element of Pichwai is.
Okay, let's see how to make a finished painting, especially the border and the background. I have already painted a base layer of pista green color which has lot of patches. So now I'm going to rectify it. For that I have taken my taklon and I have diluted the same background color but with more water, and I'm just cleaning all around my main drawing of the cow. I am working towards the border where there are white patches. I am putting my diluted color mix and doing the border. So while making the border, I will paint it like an outline but with diluted color, so that color is not very dark and is lighter than that of the background. And then I will clean my brush with plain water, and with the wet brush I will blend the border lines into the background. This will give a very clean finish and without any marks. This is the way how we color our background in one single color, free of any spots or any white spaces. Having so many rough marks around the tail, I will blend the color and I will apply one stroke of color. Can you see how I'm blending it with the background? Now can you see this white spot? I will take color and I will simply apply it in one or maximum two layer, not more than that. Alright, so before moving to our next step, let's take a look at the background. So here I have given a soft neutral green tone in the background, which I'll be highlighting with patterns of lotus all around. And here one inner border has been designed, this one, with a different color. For that I have created one white base to have more clarity and more sharp features. So this area I'm going to color with a little bit of brick shade, that is pinkish brick shade, more of a combination of brown as well as pink. And here comes this beautiful color. Can you see how beautiful this brick color looks? This way we will repeat the entire process of covering our background of brick color. Now for the border, I have taken simple flowers and leaves with a small Pichwai bud in the center. For the leaves, I am simply using sap green with my fine liner. I am just giving a base color. And for the flowers, I have used the combination of pink and blue. Pink denotes Radha and blue denotes Krishna. As this border has been made in just 1 centimeter of space, there is not much area of detailing. It requires simple filling of color but neatly, so use only fine liner brush for the same. And never use very dark colors, always use diluted colors. You can reach the desired shade while doing a second layer as well, but don't use direct dark colors. See, I am applying second layer of sap green for my leaves to make them little darker, and I am cleaning the areas, especially working towards the border or the outlines of the drawing. This is how we will complete our border. The brick border and the main border, between that we will put a thin line which is a mixture of our background green color and little bit of brick color to separate them and to create some depth. As our background is completely plain, I am using tiny lotus pattern all over. For that, I am simply using milky white color and I am just filling inside the shape of the lotus. Here the color is not diluted, it is simple gouache paint. After filling the base of the lotus, we will simply highlight it with the outlines using fine liner. For that I am using light pink color. In Pichwai, subtle fine lining for the outlines does the whole drama, and it looks very earthy and subtle. This is the final look of our artwork. I hope you loved the tutorial. If so, do subscribe and follow us for more.
नमामि शमीशान निर्वाणरूपम् विभुं व्यापकं ब्रह्मवेदस्वरूपम्